Hey guys, what's up? Here we are on episode 2. So, how are you feeling? A lot better?
Yeah.
She's feeling good. She's running. We're working out together, lifting weights. And you already weigh 6 pounds less than when this started. And it's been really cool, seeing her transform, her attitude and her spirit, and getting back to doing things that she loves. Wow, nice shot. You want to play some one-on-one? So it's important to not just lift weights and run, but do things as a couple. Create hobbies together that you guys love to do. And that will help in your relationship and in, working out. So we're going to play a little basketball today. You're first. Goes first. Oh, I should have made that one. All right, you're up.
Stop.
Oh! Oh! I got 2. You got 4?
Ow.
You gotta take it easy on the girl a little bit. I really can make all the sounds. I'm just messing up. Oh, another one. Dang. What is that, 5?
Yeah.
What are we playing? Oh, she shoots.
I'm playing to 10.
Oh, okay. Oh. And we're gonna work out our arms today. Yeah, today's arm day. We're gonna get jacked. See those guns there? Oh. Uh-oh. 7 to, what do I have, 2? Oh. Alright, that's it. That was a pass.
Oh.
Oh, almost.
Yes.
Make every shot now. Ready? I was playing around a second ago.
7.
Oh, should we cut?
Getting beat by a girl.
I know, I shouldn't be sure. You can edit this out.
Wow.
What's the score? 2 to what?
2 to 7.
2 to 7? You guys think I'm really playing? Oh!
2 to 7.
It's my court. Can't get past these guns. Wait, what's the score?
3 to 7.
3 to 7.
Is that 6? What is
I
that?
think I've got my shot back. Oh, that would be 4 to 7, is it?
No, Cameron, that is not going to play. No. What the heck?
I'm open.
You can't do that.
Oh,
Cheater.
oh man. Is that a jump ball? Trying to win, aren't you? Better come cover me.
Oh, jeez.
Come on, come guard me. Let me get this ball. I'm really good. She's beating me, so she's like feeling very confident now. That's good. Oh no!
So I'm going to beat him. I'm going to win. I know I am.
Wait, did you say that? What'd you say?
Oh, you're playing.
Oh yeah, watch this.
Sorry, watch what?
Oh yeah, watch this.
Watch you miss? Ah! I'm going to the cameraman.
Oh! Alley-oop! Nice assist. Thank you. We're back in the game now. All right, here we go.
No more assisting. You understand me, cameraman?
This is a really intense game.
that in my sleep. Just like this.
Out of bounds, just as I planned. We gotta play out here. We're gonna get a comeback. Out of bounds, my ball.
No.
Oh, you want to play that way, do you? Stuff it. Can't make that. Me. On my next series, we're going to be working on our stomachs, our chests, and she's trying to slide in there for the shot. You okay? You need a kiss? Oh! You fell for the oldest trick in the book. Okay, you can have it. Well, just because you look pretty today.
This is bogus.
Alright. What's the score anyway?
8-7.
Let her win.
You're at 8.
Oh, I have 8? What do you have?
7.
Sorry to do this. Alright. Sorry to do this to you. I had to, give some hope, that she'd be able to, someday beat me. Dang, look at those skills, dribbling skills. Oh, almost. Ooh. Oh. Come guard me.
Can't do that.
Oh! Game point. All that effort, I'll let you have the ball. So it's now 7-9. Whoa! Yeah, I love playing basketball. Since I was younger, I love playing basketball, football, golf. I like a lot of different sports. Ah! 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 But it's important when you get older to remember those things that you loved when you were younger. And, go outside, go play. Remember, life's a game. Go and play. All of you!
Buddy!
Hi, that's a game. All right, so we're gonna go lift weights. We're gonna work on our arms today, arm day. And we're gonna do a little bit of cardio and just have some fun. Remember, life's a game. Go play.